Okay, we're in Microsoft Excel and we want to add text to a formula result. So in this cell here, I want it to read as profit of and then the formula result. So what I'm going to do is right click on this cell and then go to Format Cells. I'm going to go down to Custom, and if I look in the type box, I can see the format that's currently applied to this cell. Now in front of that format, I'm going to, in speech marks, write profit of, leaving a space after of and then closing the speech marks. Click on OK. You can see it's added that text. Now if I look down this list, you can see I've got a loss here and I've got a break even here. So I want it to say loss of when we have a negative result and break even where we have a 0 result. So what I'm going to do is go back into the format of this cell. Now what we've got here is the format for positive formula results. If I place a semicolon after this, I can then specify the format for negative values. So that would be loss of, again in speech marks. And then I want to copy the format that's being applied to the positive results, the number format. And I'm going to put a minus sign in front of that. Then I'm going to put another semicolon. And here I can specify the format for 0 results. So it's positive, negative, and then 0 results. So I'm going to say break even. And I don't really need to show a number. So if I click on OK, I can then use the Format Painter to copy that format to the other cells. So I click on the Format Painter and then drag over these other cells, and you can see the format has been applied.